Here we are. It's morning, 10 a.m. There's our room out in the background. See if I can bring it in closer. Way up there in the back. We're taking our morning strides. Here's our beach. Hello, Rob. Nice morning, eh? Hello.
Hello.
And we're going to take a walk all the way down. Nice bright morning.
Keep going all the way around.
Little clouds. We have a little island out here. I don't know, we might need a boat to get to that island. Something's on that island. We'll have to see about going there.
We're arrested. Look how long the beach is. 4 kilometers.
4-kilometer beach. Okay, all the way to the other side. Lots of chairs.
Keep going.
But like all hotels, you have to be up early to get a chair. This is our dock. What this thing is in the water, I have no idea yet. At the end of the dock, we have a little patio. People get married on this patio. We don't need to do that again, eh, Rob? Ah, we're good.